was very nice to sleep in here, indeed. Time for breakfast, and then maybe taking a swim in the ocean, but I think that will be cold, but it's nice to be fresh, and then heading away to post-production company. I kinda regret this already, but I'm pretty sure it will be a nice feeling after the bath. I think I'm gonna change the spot because it's a bit tricky to jump on the I don't know what to say it. I should check so I don't got any ticks on me, because they're kind of dangerous here. Yeah. Smart advice when you are on the east coast of Sweden. Always check for ticks. I'm back in Stockholm, and I'm gonna leave the online files to the post-production company, and the post-production company is of course located in the middle of the city, so a bit of traffic, but it's not that much either. It's okay. I guess this will be my weekly routine every Friday, and then I can take a weekend after. But I have some friends here, so I'm gonna wait for the files to be uploaded, and then grab my hard drives again. So probably in the middle there I will train at the gym or eat something. Here you have the castle, and here you got the government to the left, but this castle is a bit bigger indeed. Okay, so it's Sunday again, and I've been in Stockholm in the city for 2 days relaxing, but now I'm back here at the movie set. I'm pretty happy my tent is up over there, so I don't have to do it now. I'm just gonna grab some food to eat, and then I think I'm gonna go to sleep. Hope for better weather tomorrow, and people will come back here tomorrow, and then it's time for a new working week. So I guess this will be my routine for the coming 1.5 months, but yeah, working so far at least. So yes, it's the last day tomorrow, and I've been here for 7 weeks now, and it's very cold outside now, so no more swim in the ocean, and start packing my bike yesterday, so my tent is down. I've been sleeping here for the 6 weeks. The first week was on the camping, and I'm gonna sleep here tonight in this little cabin where I'm working, and it's kind of cozy, but it's very, very cold at night. But I have a good sleeping bag, and at the morning I will start the bonfire. Too cold to take a swim, but it's beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, last day. pretty similar to the tent. But yeah, sleeping time in my sleeping bag, and yeah, last day tomorrow, and it's also my birthday. Sweet. It's the last day, I'm leaving. I'm just gonna drive to the city and offload the material to the post-production company, and then I'm going, and it's cold and it's gonna be rainy, but yeah, just do it, as Nike would say. There is the bike. And that's where I slept tonight. Time to be driving to hot shower and my own bed, if the motorcycle starts. Green. But I'm in perfect timing, I think, because I need to be here at 9, even though I got my own keys. Good thing about bike is that it is much easier to park. Sweet. Top 10 most rainiest drive I ever had. One more hour and then I'm home. I'm soaking wet. But I am in South Sweden now, at least. Rainy, rainy day.